Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville. We are going to give you a tour of the Bloomfield Commercial Center located in Mandeville. Now, straight ahead is the Commercial Center, the building to the right. There are other buildings in the Bloomfield Park area. To the left of us is going to be a commercial building, and then to the left of that is going to be a call center, and then all the way at the end is the Avista, which is a residential development. But this one right here now that's under construction is the Bloomfield Commercial Center. And that road to the right actually takes you back out to the main road. So you can get to Bloomfield Park without having to go through the town. Now, when you're coming up to Mandeville, when you come off the Melrose Hill bypass, there are three roundabouts. All three take you into Mandeville, but to access this road, you'd go to the third roundabout, and there is literally no traffic to get to these areas. So that's a plus for this area. Okay, all the way to the left now, that is the Avista, which is residential apartments. Then beside it is the call center. And then beside that one seems to be some apartments. And then the one under construction, with the green thing around it, that's the commercial park. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Bloomfield Commercial Complex is a premier destination for businesses seeking state-of-the-art office space and commercial facilities in Mandeville. Strategically located at the entrance to the town center adjacent to Megamart, it offers quick and convenient access to major landmarks and essential services including hospitals, police stations, major banks, and supermarkets. The complex boasts a variety of modern office spaces ranging from executive suites to open-plan layouts designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses. On the ground level, the complex features retail stores, cafes, and restaurants designed around courtyard spaces, creating a vibrant environment for both local and leisure. Located within Mandeville's only special economic zone, qualifying businesses can benefit from tax breaks through the Government of Jamaica's certified special economic zone regime, providing added incentives for establishing operations here. The complex offers well-equipped conference rooms, versatile co-working spaces, a state-of-the-art fitness center, ample parking options both on the ground and surface, and excellent highway access ensuring connectivity and convenience. The Bloomfield Commercial Complex is designed to create a dynamic environment that promotes productivity, collaboration, and innovation, making it an ideal location for businesses aiming to flourish and grow in Mandeville. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.